Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to update wallpaper on your device. So friends, before we continue the steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Here you have to scroll down to wallpaper. Okay, so click on wallpaper and here you can update your wallpaper from here, my wallpapers, or from explore more wallpapers. Okay, suppose I'm showing from my wallpapers. Here is your wallpaper. Okay, this is system wallpaper. You can update your wallpaper from this system wallpaper, and here is a downloaded wallpaper. You can update from here also. Okay, if you want to update. Now I'm going to show you explore more wallpaper. Okay, if you want to update from here, just click on it from the explore more wallpaper. Okay, and here you will find the many wallpapers. Just look at many wallpaper. Okay, here you will find the top wallpaper, so click on top, and here what you have to do is, if you love this, just click on it, and here you have to download on it. Okay, on my wallpaper no need to download. Here you have to download because it's exploring, no, so you have to download at first, then only it will the option will come to apply. Click on apply, and here you have to click on home screen or lock screen, or for both. Okay, suppose I'm going to for home screen, and here click on this set on home screen, and it will be applied successfully on your device. Okay, just click on it, click on this option. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.